ako ang magsasabi. Ang magsasabi ay ako. This message is this message. I am the one is I am. You know, in Mongkok, last night, the date is 4/19, April 19. Last night around 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. in Mongkok Road, in Mongkok, and by the Zhangji shop, stupid fucking Chongshang LE was fucking taking a shit because I don't know what what is it? And the funniest thing is, he said he smoked. I don't know what happened to Chongshang LE last night. And Chong Lassie is the best boss of Hong Kong. But he said he's gonna move to Shanghai. So last night he moved to Shanghai. Because 4/19, the arrival that we did, Chong Lassie is the star of all Chinese. Chong Lassie. And I'm saying that in Tagalog, anyways, my phone, by the way, is upstairs of my house. When I'm upstairs, no one speaks Tagalog. You have to say, "Excuse me, can we speak Tagalog?" It's nothing against Philippines. I just want to be worldwide. All worlds. The world is focused on one world, they say, is done. To you guys, you have to. But me, I focus on a lot of worlds. Because I'm Richmore Cruz. I am Richmore Cruz of all worlds, of all universe, of all dimensions. And kill now all those that are destroying me in mouth and all other Richmores and Richmore of hell. And 8 universe. I can say anything now. I'm true in one, so everything I say is true now. I said until May, but no, I don't need to. You know, it's automatic that I need arrival. That too, now I found out that too is not Hindus, so I don't have to find be two. And what I'm saying is, in Tagalog, ito'y dahil lamang para lamang maging free si Lin, Crucito Yamashita, at para mamatay si Jigjig family na ay tumigil ay at universally para walang ilaw ang Teresa Cruz, ayaw nang tumigil, ay pinapatawad ko na ang Encantadia at ang TBS Binangonan. Patawarin nyo na rin ako. Mahal ko ang TBS Binangonan. Siyempre, TBS chapter. OG Twisted One ako, original na kay Clench One. Wala naman akong problema kay Porras. Hindi ko lang alam na si Porras pala ay si Big Boss, Big Dick, Boy Inares ay siya na lang raw. Pero ang gagawin ko si Big Boss, Big Dick, Boy Inares ay magiging si Mike Cosa. Para nagmamay nila rin, di ba niya maganda? Ako nga pala, inaayos, ikaw pala eh. Ako itong Tao Gamma P. Wawa chapter. Pero kung nasa Abida. Hindi, Abida chapter. Dadalwala kami Tao Gamma P. Ako nag-iisang Tao Gamma P sa lahat ng akro. Kumbaga sa lahat ng Yakuza, ako lang 14K. May kinikilig na hula, Shiki. Tapos ganito, pagka kayo magpo-post ng inverted na. Pagka kayo magpo-post naman, nag-video ako, ang gawin nyo sa sarili nyong zone, tapos pangalan niyo, tapos kumari kayo nagsasalita, sisikat kayo. Promise yun. As in, promise yun. Very much. So much. Promise yun. Masaya na ako. Basta pagsimulayin nyo na ako kumbaga ako yung main, marami nang nag-teacher. Main big boss ay hindi pa ako ready mag-utos. Pero pag ako emperor, kasi ako talaga emperor ng lahat ng mundo, akong Richmore Cruz. Lahat yung emperor na. At kung pwede lang. Please lang. Can you speak, please? Can you speak, please? Wala na muna mag-up ng power at wala na mag-up ng time zone. Wala na mag-ganaon muna. Hindi muna. Sige mo kayo nagpo-post. Papakin mo kami baliw na. Shit, ako lang ay baliw. Papakin mo. Nagtatampo si Celine. Hindi raw. Ang pinili ko ba? This is the announcement. Announcement ito. Can I speak English, please? I'm not Nefantoki. But Nefantoki looks like this over there. What I'm saying is, announcement, Rich Empress Overlordess Queen is Babe Ali the Rich One, Alia Rocha, Garobillas, Cruz na. Siya na yun. Na hindi siya pwedeng Zray Kaki. Pero kasama siya sa business. Pero hindi siya ganoon. Siya ay Toranaga Yamashita na. Ay, nagagat naman siya. Hindi siya Toranaga Yamashita, kundi Kitano. Okay, Kato Kitano. Gusto ko niya siya KKK. Gusto ko siya ang dami naman yung request. Sabi naman, Espiritu Bato ko tablado. May ibang araw pa. Tuwa si Jun, pati si Kuya Jun Ryan, Ninong Jun Ryan. Subo kita kay Inigo ngayon. Gusto lang ni Yang Morgan na maalala ang kanyang Satanas Gang. Anyways, naman pa, by the way, that's the announcement. Meron talagang mahilig tumalon. Like I said, dahil sabi ko, pinapatawag ko na ang Inkatadya at ang TBS Binangonan. Patawarin nyo na rin ako. At wala akong problema sa Inaris dahil kagabi nagka-meeting kami talaga lang. Biglaan. Ngayon ang nakapasa sa nag-arrival kahapon, Inaris June Inaris. Tsaka Boyd Inaris nakapasa rin. Kaso nga lang medyo nalilito pa. Sa Inkatadya, ang nakapasa talaga ay si Celine May, syempre. Tsaka si Cassiopeia Jam. Tapos, ito tungkol sa Inaris kaya Tagalog. Ang masasabi ko lamang ay, hindi ko naaawain. Kanina yung ako nag-telepatiya, yung nagbumulong sa isip. Kanina, yung sabi ko, ako girl sa Pilipinas, tapos sabi ko, ako girl sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko, mahalin niyo ako at mamahalin ko kayo. Hindi man laging back to me. Kaso nga lang, isa sa parting yun, back to me, back to you. Kasi nga, may sumpa si Capre, tsaka si tikbalang. Tapos kagabi, nakapag-meeting pa ako sa mga Philippine Lords. Ang gusto na sinaraw, hindi nila ang sila sa dagat. Japan raw kasi yun, si Virgin Mary raw kasi yung kanilang kilala. Nahihirapan kasi si Virgin Mary ko pagka siya naroon, makukul sila yung mga ano, ayoko nang sila nahihirapan si Virgin Mary. Kaya sila dapat ay sa kingdom na ito. Ayaw naman si Lin May. Alam ko na. Dito. My sweet baby. So hot. Hindi pa papakawalan siya nung hindi mo natatapos kasi nag-aayos sila. Yun ang pinakawag nyo gagawin, yung gagalawin nyo si Celine, si May Celine, Morgan Smith Cruz ko. At talagang magagaling naman ako sa Pilipinas kasi yan dahil ako bata ko galing. Pero kung talagang ayaw nyo sa akin, sino ba talaga ang ayaw sa akin? NPA. Wala man akong problema sa NPA. Talaga lang, paano ako sa tanay pa nga ako naggawa ng arrival para sa, ano naman ako kay Bulag? Nakakagawa naman ng arrival, tsaka pag ako tuloy naroon naman ako lahat ng dragon. Ano bang problema talaga ninyo sa akin? Napakasimple ng buhay ko, nasa bahay lang ako, ano bang gusto ninyo? Madali lang ang pagsasabihin ang gagawin. Tsaka marami na akong dragon na nagsasabi, di ba? Tsaka yung mga angel ko, pag kinausap, basta kakampihin nyo lang ako, pag yung mga angel ko, pag kinausap kayo, gagawin nila lahat ng gusto ninyo pag kayo'y mabuti at nakikiusap. Please lang kayo, please, pakigawa ito. Siyempre, tayo mga ganang pagkain sa atin. Puta nga, gawin mo nga ito. Oo nga, ganun nga yun. Kaso nga, minsan, relax na kayo sa ganoon. Para may iba-iba ng konti. Para sumikat ng Pilipinas na nagbago. Ayun. Tsaka ito sasabihin ko, ako ang magdadala sa Pilipinas para kay Morgan Smith Cruz. Pero, huwag niyo siyang kakausapin. Pero pag kasi sila nang nag-uusap, kausapin niyo. Pwede niyo kausapin. Pag si May Celine, okay si May. Pero huwag niyo tatantaduhin. Kasi may sumpa, kada tarantado kayong mamatay. Sa tagal ng panahon, napakarami yung ginawa sa kanila. Tapos ang ginawa niyo kay mama ngayon, yung ginagawa niyo kay mama ngayon. Tapos ang ginagawa niyo kay Holly Ann. Kung ayaw niyo sa amin, talagang nakahanda ang mga killers ko, ang mga armed forces ko, ang army, ay nakahanda para, tsaka Japanese army, para girahin kayo kung kayo tatantaduhin niyo, mama ko, tsaka kapatid ko, tsaka si Morgan, tsaka ako. 4 na kami ngayon. Bali 5 na kami. Bali 6 na kami. Bali 7 na kami. Si Jacob ang isa. Tapos yung lahat ng Holy Ann. Tsaka yung Morgan ko. Ay, si Celine at Morgan ay isa. Tsaka si May na MHAE. Tsaka si Shiba May. Tsaka si St. Morgan ay isa dapat. Kaya alam niyo nang ganoon wag kayo ang basta ay napatatawarin ko pero sila hanggang May 7 pwedeng lumabas ng bahay at magtrabaho. O kung gusto nyo, ikulong nyo na kaya. Yan na si Papa Kim mo. Ikulong na raw. Pumabor na si Papa Kim mo. Nag-agree na si Boss Mayor John Inares na may bahay na sa LA. Naibili ko kagabi. Hindi pa niya alam. Si Papa Kim mo, mahal ko talaga lang. Gusto kong anak raw ako. Hindi mo ako naglalao siyang coding. Anyways, mga by the way, I have to go now. And ang gusto ko at si Warren Gonzalez. Today is the arrival for Warren Gonzalez. Warren Gonzalez ay arrival ay ngayon. Tsaka St. Morgan's party for being the Angel Queen. Haitian Angel Queen immortal overlordess, goddess. Yun ang bago niya crown, Hesiod. Ang ibig sabihin ng Hesiod sa salitang Haitian ay Hesiod. Hesiod. Ang ibig sabihin ng salitang Haitian ay si Martin kailangan umalis ng katawan ko. Pinaka mabuting babae at pinaka masayahin, pero pinakamasayahin at napakayaman at napakagaling at hindi kayang sirain at sobrang ganda at sobrang ganda at walang makakatalo. Yun. It means she is the Hesiod, the most holiest, the most richest, also the most richest, and there will be and always most holiest, most richest, and always the best, and will never be destroyed, and very sexy and very funny. Yeah, Hesiod. That is our crown today, St. Morgan. Speak English now. That's our crown today, St. Morgan. Some people, they have, I'm supposed to be me. By the way, I'm saying what I said. And what I'm saying is, arrival for Warren, celebration for arrival for Warren, arrival for Celine May, arrival for me, arrival for Warren, arrival for Warren Gonzalez, arrival for Warren Crucito, arrival for Warren Crucito Cruz Gatlabayan, Crucito Cruz Gatlabayan Gonzalez, Crucito Cruz Gatlabayan Soprano Gonzalez. A.K.A. Warren Gonzalez. Arrival for today for him. Arrival for... It's gonna be hard to do this, but for Donald Trump, I forgot. And arrival for Snoop Doggy Dogg. Or vote now. Snoop Doggy Dogg, Lil Wayne, or Gucci Mane. Of course, it's Snoop Doggy Dogg. He's like to smoke weed. Arrival for Snoop Doggy Dogg. And that's 3. My code is 4-1, but it's 3-12. It's 3-1-2 when I'm doing something. So I'm doing 3-1-2-2-1. The next one is celebration party for St. Morgan, but it's my Morgan. The name is May, M-A-E, C-E-C-E, Lean. May is different. She's my daughter. May Celine Morgan Smith Cruz is now the name she goes by. Any others that is not a husband, but like something family. And it's all Zray Kaki. And then it's 3, 1, then 2 is Boss Ninja, Princess Crown arrival for Boss Ninja, Princess of Japan, Philippines Monarchy. Boss Ninja is Celine Crucito Yamashita Cruz. And arrival for Celine Mae Joaquino Biteranta Cruz, aka Celine May, and arrival for $14K Triad. Not 14K Hells Angel, but the old 14K Triad of China, or any Chinese, and arrival for Teletech people. But I want them to fucking be better for me. And the last one is arrival for my Tommy Tampeng, who used to be Tommy Cruz Tampeng, who is a Celine Angel but became a man. So there's no problem with that. What the fuck is wrong with all of you? So Tommy Tampeng arrival again is no. It's the contract and commitment, and so he's a creep. Contract, commitment, and that's not what I gave him. Contract, commitment, and employment of KSHI 28 Yakuza, Cartel Mafia, Organizations Unity. It includes frats and others like gangs. 14K Hells Angels, Dragon Nefantoki, Zama, Shogunite, and I forgot to say earlier when I did the change making people tried Yakuza, Cartel Mafia, yeah, that, and it's yeah, Vatozai Richmore Key Dynasty, or Richmore Key Dynasty, but it's now, can it be Vatozai? No, it's only Richmore Key Dynasty. Oh yeah, Richmore Key Dynasty. How do we do it? It's nice Richmore Key Dynasty, Golden Dragon Triad, and I'm the lover of Benkesha the Lord, and Lourdes Benkesha is Benkesha the creature. Countess Lourdes, or Lourdes Countess the vampire, Benkesha, is different. That is Young Morgan, and she still wants to be Young Morgan. She still wants to be that. And hate is the law. Maleheads. And it's HE. I'm Haitian Emperor still. And Mo Emperor. And other H Emperor. Whether you like it or not. And it's Hmong Empire and Haitian Empire. Together with this. Is that okay with all of you? But I'm saying, am I doing... No, okay, I'm gonna do 1, 2 now. Maha! Anyways, Mama, by the way, I love you all. Today is a good day. It's 420. Donald Trump, you better do what I want. Like the meeting last night. Because if you don't, I war America again. And whoever's warring America is not me. I'm the Dragon President. The king of America that I want for you is Richmore Kranshinki Cruz, who is also Richmore Cruz of America. Nefantoki quitted life. I'm sorry, Chinese, but he quit life. He quit life. Nefantoki the Nefantoki. I'm Nefantoki Richmore. I'm the pimp. But I'm a dragon. I stay at home. But when I'm doing something, I'm over there. something about Mr. Morgan missing Diablo Zatano key or Nefanto ritual. Which one is the secret? I like somebody telepathying me about what to do. somebody is beaten again. They said it's and Enoch will never be forgiven if he doesn't stop and make it that is continuous, that nothing happened. Ano pala ba ang problema ni Enoch? Speaking Tagalog now, ano pala ang problema? Pakiayos naman, papakin mo ang bata mo. Wala nangyari. Ang gusto ko yung wala nangyari. Ito na napanood. Kaya ba yan yung gawin? Kaya nang yung gawa na. Ay! Iwan mo na lang niya sa ano. Ako nagbibideo. May yosi ka ba ba? Hindi. Iwan mo na lang ba rin yan? Hindi, ito, abutin ko pala. Hindi. Kasi, tapos pa ako. Ikaw. Gusto naman ang lita. Babalik mo na. Sama naman ako. Dalawang baba lang. Dalawang baba. Hindi na pa ba na. Bigyan mo naman yung ibaba ng mga konti. Dalawang baba lang. Ang gagawin na. Dalawang baba lang. Parang ayaw ko naman kanina. Mamaya, bababa ako. Sisimila ko yan. Pati yung talaga. Ay, pang galing eh. Bigyan pa naman yun. Pabawala lang ako. Saan ba? Ha? Sa babae? Anong hingin mo, Yossi? Right there. Oo. Diyan. Ito yung ano lang. Dito sa TikTok. Ito yung makikita niyo. Ang tiwala ka sa akin. Hindi tayo pwede masira. Maraming kahiwain wala. Anyways, I'm off on. By the way, so I'm gonna say to everybody watching, money or things. Okay, money is 800,000. I'm gonna announce it now. The Venkeshas lost the credit card. Venkesha the Lord lost the credit card privilege. Because I'm giving it, Venkeshas and Haitians are different now. Is what happened. Most Venkeshas are brunettes. Is what's happening. And the Haitians are blondes. And redheads are bellas. Is what they're thinking. I'm saying, Venkeshas is it's gonna be called Team Aliyah. Team Aliyah is the one that's gonna have the credit card, but it's not zillions. The limit is centillion a day. We have to stop zillions. The maximum bet is now the BEM zillion, 60 digits. So when you bet, you can lock someone, not kill, lock only. You know, you have to have 6666. Cambodian codes is now not. I'm announcing it. Is not. It's not going on anymore. The Cambodian code 6 is something, you know, and inversion codes is now dead. And I'm saying it is now. I'm saying Team Aliyah is the one with credit cards by Centillion. And the number is different numbers, of course. It's gonna be different numbers, but you got credit card. Okay. But the main credit card account is mine. And every time I use my credit card, me, Richmore Krang, Shinky Cruz, Mama Chona, and Holian, my baby sister, my mama, the new Mama Chona is my mama, who is Empress Mama Chona, EMC, the Queen Goddess. And I'm gonna edit that Viber later. And that's 4, and then there's only a few Holian, and Clarice is not Holian, and Julie is not Holian, and Lou is not Holian, and Griselda is not Holian. And the other one is 4, and then 1 is all Morgan teams is not. We are always alive or no. We are, if we use it, we are alive and registered and coded on whatever code we want to do with the credit card. Is that good enough for all of you? Huh? Anyway, my phone, by the way, so I'm gonna say thank you, Richmore Krang Shinky Cruz, for a wonderful meeting last night in fucking Dennis Hater. What the fuck is that restaurant? The one that me and Ellie Stenstrom eats. I forgot the fucking name. I have to fucking think of it. It's something I forgot. Can we? What is the code of this? This is the last thing that you guys are gonna do. I want her fresh. And I said what I said. Thank you, na. Check. Okay. Now, okay. Then forward. Done. And 14. Check. 10-4. Done. Case I-28 check. Done and completed. 100% process complete. In zillions. Locked in zillions. Bye-bye.